Hello, my name is Natthanate or you can call me Newton. Today, I'm gonna present about my Gdevelop project. Yay! Let's go to the first topic. What is Gdevelop? Gdevelop is an open source, no code game engine designed to be accessible as possible for beginners, while remaining powerful enough for professional indie developers. Unlike traditional engines like Unity or Unreal that require learning language. Yes, and GDevelop use a unique event-based system. You build game logic by choosing conditions. An example like player touching a coin, and actions gonna be like play a sound and delete the coin. Okay, let's watch about how to build a simple games.
Look about it how to create a game. First, you see an object here and add object. Click on add object and you will find, first I will find a background. Example, I will choose this one, winter background. Click add and it will appear here. You see right? Drag to the game scene and set into the great position like this. In the game, click on preview. It will show like this. Alright, and next I will add a character. Click add here and find the character you want. Yeah, example, I will choose Santa. Right, click add to scene. And you will see Santa is a character. And it have idle, walk, run, jump, dead, slide. Okay, and try to drag the Santa here. And click preview. The Santa will appear here and it can move, it can jump, it can run, it can move. Yeah. And how to make a Santa can move. Click here, edit object, click on behavior, and about the behavior is like something that the main control the character or any object. About the character, we must choose a platformer character, this one. And you can set about the gravity, max falling speed, jump something, and about the run, anything you want. Example, I click appear and preview. You see? It fall. Yeah, Santa fall down. And but you see a little bit. I will click and right arrow to move. You see, right? Alright, next it can move now. But it need something to Santa stand on it to not fall down. I will click add here and try to find like example winter tile. It must be floor in this game. Example, I will drag here, flip, and something that higher, like this. And click preview. And you see, again, the floor can't hold the character. How to do? Okay, I must, oh no. I must click on the winter on the floor and edit object. Click on behavior. This one, it must choose platform. Flag object as being platform which character can run on. Like this, and click apply. And click preview. You see? The character Santa can stand on it, and this one, it can't go. But in example, I will make it smaller. Like this. Santa can jump on it. Like this. Okay. And about how to make a Santa not like a weirdo animation like this. When it walk, it not walk. It jump, it don't have any animation. Alright, I will change this one to the untitled say event. Yeah. Alright, if events is like coding, but it's not writing a code. Yeah. Click add event. First, I will do on player. Click add condition. Choose on player. And find the key is press. Key press it. Click here. And you can choose about the key you want to press and it character can move. Alright, I will choose about the right arrow, but in the develop it only type right. Yeah, this one. It must be right arrow. And click OK. You see, right arrow is pressed. OK. And it must be action about it. If you press it, what's gonna be next? Alright, you must choosing the flip the object horizontally and choose on the center. Oh, center. Uh-huh. And click OK. You will see the right is gonna be go on right like this. But this is normal and the Santa is the Santa's face is on the right side. When it moves, it's a correctly direction. But when you turn left, the Santa will like moonwalk. Okay. And add new events. And this one it must be like this too. Key is pressed. And it must be the left now. Left key is pressed. And what is gonna be? The okay. You can do like this, like Command C, and you can drag about this one. You can drag, and you can Control C and Control V to copy and press, and you can drag like this to the another condition and action. All right. The flip, the left key is pressed. You will see the center will go to the left, and centers must be like turning left. And flip horizontally is gonna be yes. All right, you see the center move natural. It's not natural. It's move clearly. You see, right? Okay, and next I will adding an animation. Add new event. A player is moving. Alright, center and click. It's moving. What it's gonna be? I will choose the animation by name. It must be by name. Choose the object center and set to run. It's gonna be run. Okay, let's see. But the character when it on the normal, the idle or disappear, and yeah, when it moves, it's run clearly, and when it jump too. I will make it like when it's not moving, the center will gonna be idle, idle, center, and I will choose that one too. I will copy and paste. Okay, center is moving, but this one is must be invert condition. Invert mean opposite. And next, set to what it must be idle. You can choose here. Center is not moving, the animation is must be idle. And let's go check. Okay, when center stand is idle and move, it runs. Like this. And when you jump, the animation will be run too because jumping is action and it moves. Okay, and if you want more how to like make a map bigger, like you can do like this and make it bigger. But the character doesn't move.
Okay, let's get back to my presentation. My game name is Unfailing Cowboy. Why I choose this name? Because my game they have a problem, and now it have a problem too. I I don't want to like cry. I don't like to give up. Yeah, I will this is the last day, and I send my project like this. Okay, and this game I include with two characters. The first guy is Unfailing Cowboy, and this next one is the Obstruction Skeleton. Okay, and how to play my game. Alright, let's get watching again.
Right.
This is my game that I haven't finished it yet. I made a mistake while developing it and accidentally delete a scene. Unfortunately, this current version on the cloud, and this is the only one I have left, and I'm unable to resort the deleted stage. Okay, let's get watch it. Oh wait, okay. My character can have a animation when it run. It can jump, right? And this is the empty space here. I didn't finish it yet. All right. About the coins, this is gold and it's zero. When it correct, it increased one. Oh, like this. Increase two, go three. All right. And about the entities are when I touch it, it kill. But I didn't haven't finished about the end game scene when it die or yeah like that. Let's go. All right, and about the other entities that didn't on the last time when I touch it, it gone, yeah, it disappeared. But I guess it's gonna be at the spawn, but the camera doesn't pan. Yeah, camera doesn't move too. All right, the only one way that I can do this is refresh the game, and I can play it again. Alright, and this is the end of my game, and I need to correct the last goal, and it's on the top. Alright, and this is all of my game. I didn't finish yet. It's my mistake. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's get back to my presentation. Okay, what did I learn from this project? I will reference about learning by Steam. Okay, about S is mean science. I use a solving problem. Like I know what is my problem. My problem example like I delete a wrong scene in the game, and that scene is the scene that I create in game and editing, and I delete it. But uh, fortunately, the game is on cloud. Yeah. Oh. Technology. I using AI and my friends to help me. Using AI in about asking like, I delete my game scene, but how can I do? Uh, and my friends about this presentation video. Engineering about design my game like writing, modeling, writing plan to create this. And A is art. Doing adding events is mean like yeah about adding events when I like example when character when spacebar press what is gonna happen with my character when my character collecting a goal what's happening with score or something like that. Okay, about mathematics, using a little physics to use with a character while running, while jumping, yeah. And the last thing I learned is how to holding a heavy, very heavy stress in my head and about my lo- how to know about the problem for me. Uh, like I know my mistakes that I doing with my scenes. Yeah, and there's nothing to do. Yeah, and that's all for today. And thank you for listening my presentation. Thank you.